You are welcome. Join me, let's make kiwi, blueberry and strawberry smoothie. We are going to blend it separately. Into the blender, let's start by putting strawberry. You can see how our strawberry, they are so fresh. Water, make sure you put drinking water. Ice, and blend it together. Now let's put blueberry, water, blend it for 1 minute and put ice, blend and remove. Now let's put kiwi. Kiwi, I'm going to add a little bit of fresh milk. Remember, we don't blend kiwi like the other one. We blend kiwi slowly. You can see the way I'm blending it. Just slowly. Now into the glass, let's start by pouring kiwi. I want to use this moment to say thank you for watching my video. If today is your first time, you're welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment, to like, and to share. When you comment, it's giving me the inspiration to continue. Thank you. Also, for my old subscriber, you're welcome. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for your comments and thank you for your likes. Let's pour strawberry now. You have to use spoon and you pour it very carefully. The last one at the top is blueberry. Guys, can you see that? Can you see that? Please try it and let me know in the comment section if you are going to try it. Thank you for watching my video. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Ciao.